In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI teammates in Asana 5 minutes. To get started, log into your Asana account. Make sure you have the right permissions because enabling AI features typically requires admin access. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top corner and open the admin console. From there, head to settings, then select the Asana AI section. Enable Asana AI using the toggle you see. If your organization has multiple workspaces, confirm you're enabling it in the correct one, and consider notifying your team so everyone knows AI features are available. When the toggle is on, you're ready to bring AI into your projects. Next, open a project you want to enhance. From the project, click Customize to open the configuration panel, then choose Rules. Rules connect triggers and actions so your AI teammate can step in automatically. Click Add to create a new rule. You can either start with Create with AI Studio for a tailored setup, or pick a pre-built template if you want something quick. AI Studio lets you define what should happen when certain events occur, like a task being created, moved, or updated, and it's a great way to standardize how your team works. With AI enabled, you can now assign work directly to your AI teammate. Treat it like a real collaborator. At SA, mention it in a task or assign the task with a clear instruction, such as create a brief for this campaign. Include context, links, attachments, and due dates so it has what it needs to produce strong results. You can also ask questions right in tasks or comments. The AI responds in context using accessible data from the project, which helps you stay in the flow without switching tools. Always be mindful of permissions and data sensitivity when referencing documents. As drafts are produced, you'll see output in linked documents like docs or sheets. Review the work, give feedback in comments, or approve when it's ready. The AI will improve based on your guidance, so be specific about what to change and why. Finally, use AI Studio rules to automate common moments. For example, when a new IT ticket is submitted, your AI can automatically ask clarifying questions, ensuring every request is complete before it moves forward. Start simple, test your rule on a sample task, and iterate as you refine. That's it. Enable Asana AI, configure rules, assign tasks, ask questions, review drafts, and automate your workflows with AI teammates.